Hi, my name is Josh Simons. I'm the Chief Technologist for High Performance Computing at VMware. Thank you for coming by our booth here today at the HPC on Wall Street conference. We're here because VMware is well known in the enterprise space as a provider of virtualization software for all of our customers worldwide, but it's not very well known that we actually have some pretty sophisticated and comprehensive capabilities around high performance computing and machine learning. So we're here to talk to people about that today. We have about 500,000 customers worldwide in all verticals, all sizes of companies, so there's really not any particular type of customer that we serve. These customers all use VMware technology for running their IT data centers and really for running their businesses. We're mostly focused on talking to people here about on-premise use of virtualization technology for high-performance computing and machine learning. We do have a very large portfolio of additional products that are used by enterprise customers, everything from private cloud to hybrid cloud to public. We also do end-user computing sorts of things, virtual desktops, et cetera, but we're really focused here today on how we can help HPC customers run their applications with more flexibility, more agility, taking advantage of GPUs for compute, taking advantage of things like RDMA capabilities, which are really important in high-performance computing, and we believe a lot of customers don't understand that these capabilities are actually available on our virtual platform. What VMware is really trying to do is bring the power of an enterprise virtualization platform to bear for HPC environments. And if we're able to do that, then what we can basically do is take all of the capabilities that we make available to our enterprise customers, things that give them very, very significant amounts of flexibility and agility, and bring those into an HPC environment. And we do that by taking advantage of several of the features that we have in the platform that just aren't available in a bare metal HPC environment. For example, we can move workloads around in the data center dynamically without shutting them down. We can give you separation between your applications so that you don't have data leakage between different teams within your organization. We can make sure that if someone has a failure on their application, that it doesn't affect other applications being run by other users. So there are really a host of benefits that enterprise customers benefit from every day that we believe HPC customers can benefit from as well. HPC and machine learning, from a workload perspective, from a technical perspective, I would call ML an HPC workload. It uses a lot of the same technologies that are used in HPC, for example, things like compute accelerators and high-speed, low-latency interconnects. There is an interesting difference, though, between these two workloads. So the machine learning workloads are really emerging as enterprise workloads. And what I mean by that is that data scientists within customer organizations are really being given business data and they're being asked to solve business problems. There's not a technical problem in the same way that there would be in an HPC use case. They're really trying to solve these business problems. And so they naturally turn to their IT infrastructure providers internally and ask them whether or not it's possible to run these machine learning workloads on typically their virtualized enterprise IT environment. And so for us, that's a very fundamental difference from a VMware perspective. Virtualizing HPC from a VMware perspective means bringing the full power of our entire product portfolio to bear in order to add value for HPC. And in particular, what that means is bringing flexibility and agility wherever it's needed from the portfolio into the HPC environment. Now, we're just at the beginning of doing this. It's still very much the case that a lot of HPC is running on bare metal and not virtualized, but given the amount of interest we've seen recently and the increases in performance and capabilities that are available in a virtualized platform, we're really looking forward to working with the HPC community in order to bring that virtualization value to bear for them. Thank you for stopping by the VMware booth. We hope to see you next year. In the meantime, if you'd like more information about VMware and HPC, please visit vmware.com/go/HPC.